Hello, welcome to Biology 212, the second in the series of 211, 212, and 213. I'm Catherine Creech. I'm going to be your biology instructor, and I wanted to take a quick moment to show you how to navigate the textbook again, because it's not so intuitive. So let's look at the textbook. You can see here the main page. This is what you'll be linked to from our class Blackboard sites. When you want to get into the book to the right parts, go ahead and click Read Book. So this is the part that I think is a little bit less intuitive. We have a section for each of the three classes. To get to the section, you hit on this little arrow here, and all the contents come down. And then we scroll down to Biology 212, that's us. You can click that, and you see this really nice overview of the class, your learning outcomes, what you should learn throughout this quarter. And then at the bottom, it looks like that's it. So there's two ways to navigate into all of the chapters that we're going to read together. One is that you can go down here to the bottom right and click Next. So DNA and chromosome structure, that's our first section. That's what you're going to be reading for homework number 1. Or if you wanted, you can always go back to this area and then click the right chapter. If you click just the title, it'll take you to this page. But if you click this little plus bar, then it shows you the sections inside. I like doing it that way because I like knowing ahead of time how many sections I'm going to be reading. Like our first chapter for our first homework, only 3 sections. The next one, only 3 sections. But then you go down and you look at dog genetics, which is really fun. We're going to talk about that a little bit later. There's like a bunch of them. So that's going to be a bigger time commitment. So I use these sections to see how long I need to save to be doing my reading and make sure that I get my homework done by Wednesday. And also just to like preview what I'm going to be learning so I can be thinking ahead about what I'm learning. So now that we found the section we're going to be doing for homework number 1, I can just click the first section, DNA structure, and now I'm in here. I'm going to read this. When I get all the way to the bottom, I'll click Next, or I can scroll back up and click the next section. Either way, whatever works for you. I like navigating to the right section using the drop-down bar, and then I use these little next buttons to go from section to section, like turning the page inside your chapter. Cool. So that was all I really wanted to tell y'all. I hope we have a fabulous term, and I'm really excited to talk about all of our cool material. So email me. I'll see you soon.